moving switch, driver, laser source, power. Wait a few seconds. Then start the laser. Start software. Then see here, see the camera, my name. Put the object, make the focus, So here you can see the red dot. The red dot is the laser beam here. So you can move from the keyboard up and down to see the focus point. So now we want to weld these two pieces of metal sheet. Okay. So this is a line, so we should select the line. We have the point, X, and curve, and circle. So right now we need to draw a line to weld the two metal pieces. So here we go. See the camera. The camera will show you the shape of the metal sheet. So we need to draw here. So first start the first point. So you can add. So for example, we add here as a start point. Then we select the space. Simple space. This is for the collect the first point. Okay, then we move. We use the keyboard up and down. So we keep the XY moving, and then draw the second point. So 2 points will create one line. See here. So we got the line here. Here is the line. So this line is for welding the gate. Here is the line. So this line is for welding the gate. Okay. And then before we weld it, we need to set up the parameter. So we can set the speed, the running speed, the accuracy, the laser on delay, point delay, and the frequency, and the power. The power is here. So we'll set the power 20 to check, just to check. Use low power to check first. Okay, and then save the layer. And then we need simulation. This is simulation, no laser on. This will just moving without laser on. Okay, combine. Then you see, here we go. See here, run. This is for just for preview, the path preview. So you can also see from the camera, path preview. Okay, and then so now we want to laser on. So we just remove the simulation. Then run it. So see the camera. Okay. See here. It's already welded. If the welding not very tough, so we need to make a little bit more power. So we add more power, reduce the welding speed. We reduce the welding speed and raise up the power to 30 and then save it. Alright? So simulation. Okay. We think this is not tough enough, so we can add more power, reduce the the welding speed. Okay, this is for line. So if you want to welding here, we have two points to weld. So we have to draw two lines in here. One line is here, one line is here. So firstly, we put the object in here. So we should select the teach mode. The teach mode is for you to find the path for welding. So here we go. So we should make the line as well. Before you make the line, you have to find the focus point for the welding place. Move to X, Y to find the point. So you should, through the camera, you will see the gate of the line. See here. This thing is not clear enough, so you can move the camera up and down. Through the Z-axis, we can make the focus again. Adjust the focus here. Okay, so this will be the same method to using that. We'll select the line and then each more. The first point is here. The first point is here. The red point. And then select the sample space. This is for the collecting. First point we collect. So we move through here. You see here? This is for first point. So you move to the second point and then collect. And then so we have to jump from one side, jump to another side. So here from the jumping space, from the jumping place, we don't need laser. So we have to disable the laser in here. Okay. Then we move the point to here. And then we need to enable the laser here. Then collect the space, move, collect the space, okay. Combine, simulation. Now we need to set the parameter. Please set the parameter. Because the metal sheet is a little bit not too thick, so we set the power, the DAC power, which is for the laser output power. So use 20%. All right. Okay. See here. You can see the camera. Camera will show you the welding action. You see the two side points, two lines. One line here, one line here. So it's the same way if you want to weld in here, here, here. We just add two more lines here. So the laser can weld in 4 sides. So if you want to weld in the curve, so we need to draw the curve from here, 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 here. So we should according to the object and then draw the curve from the software. So we have to select the curve point. Select the teach mode. Select the teach mode. Then select the curve. The curve here. Curve. Okay. Then we have to make the object, keep the object in here. This is the place that we want to weld in. We want to weld from here, 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 here. Okay. So before we weld it, we have to find the curve case and find the focal point as well. So use the X, Y, Z to find the focus point. So the start point will be here, the red dot here. And you will see here the camera. From the camera you can see this is autofocus. This is autofocus. So we have to move the laser head upper to find the focus. So you will see here. So now is the focus point. This is the focal point. And then the same way, we have to collect the point. select here. You can click here, or you can use the quick keyboard, space keyboard. Press here as well. So the first point we got, and then we move. We move it down, and then when you move down, the head need also follow the curve. Follow the curve. Use the Z up and down to find the focus point because it's curved. After you find the point, and then select here the center, and then move to the next point. Okay, next point, next point, next point, next point. So here is autofocus, so we have to adjust the so the lights will move to let you see it clearly. After you find all the curve path, so you select the edit mode, then combine. So we will simulation here. See the path preview. Here is the stop point. This has a curve. Okay, so we will work in the laser. So you can see from camera. Before that, the parameter is according to your object. You should adjust. A little bit hot. See here. This is for curve. So if you have an object that is circle, so we can draw a circle here as well. So select the circle. Okay. Make the focus. Use the up and down to find the focus. So the clear point, that is the focus point. So use the same method. We collect the point. For the curve, for the circle, we have to collect the 3 points. So after 3 points, you will see we got the curve circle here. I will just use low power to try. Okay. 9. simulation. Running. See, it's running a curve. Circles. It's running a circle. Okay, laser. Okay. So now we will shut down the machine. First, close the software, close the computer. Shut down the camera. Shut down the laser. Power for laser. Power for the driver. Emergency switch. This is for. Okay.